Hi out there. Today we are going to do unboxing of a great smartphone which is really ranked high in the in the smartphone market, and it is also a budget one, but then again a flagship killer. It has all the features, the 855 plus chip. You may understand by this time what exactly smartphone I'm talking about, but then again it has been released like a month ago and I'm a bit late to start my video as usual. But then again, let us see what exactly we got it here. I received this package from Amazon today. I have purchased it personally with my own money. It's not kind of the review unit or something. I have purchased it, and this is priced around like 38,000 rupees in the market, which comes the base variant. But then again, I have went with the exchange, and as well as some kind of discount was going on Amazon regarding this. So yeah, I have received this smartphone in a good price of 30,000 rupees with the exchange of my Realme 1, which was a 6GB and 128GB variant. So let's remove this packaging first. It's a Oneplus 7T. I haven't went with the higher end, the Oneplus 7T Pro, the Oneplus 7 Pro, or Oneplus 7 in the earlier stages, because this particular model I see that it has each and every single thing what exactly those phones carry. So let me give you an overview of what exactly the box says. It says the first red silver color. I have went for first red silver color. I don't like the blue one because it's a bit kind of low color. It's not a really good color. It didn't look really good to me. And it goes with RAM of 8GB and ROM of 128GB. Yeah, it gives a clear information what exactly this particular box contains of. It says 38,000 here. So this is the OnePlus 7T again here, and yeah. So I have just removed the plastic, which is I have just removed this plastic on from here, guys. And I didn't need a knife because it has that. It was having this kind of thing. We can just pull it off from there, and it got peeled really well. Well, thanks for that, OnePlus, for making our life easier. Yeah, the box is really good. It feels really good, guys, actually. It is coated in a very good, letters. It's nice, actually. So the box, actually, it feels really nice. Let us do the unboxing we need to just hold it up. OnePlus says that, and the device comes down. It takes a bit longer, but then again, yeah, it is. So a bit quick, please. Yeah, so all boxes red. It is really nice, guys. This color is brilliant. It's awesome. It looks like really great. The matte finish kind of thing on this is the one which I love the most. And here it says OnePlus, and back it says nothing. Okay, so it says OnePlus right now. Let's pull this out. I think this is a user manual and some kind of stickers and stuff. And what else? Nothing. Oh, okay, that's it. It says OnePlus. It's actually a huge box, guys. It's a really big box. Okay, so here it says it is an invitation letter. Okay, let us see what the invitation letter says. It starts tearing down, actually. Yeah. So it is the letter from Pete, the CEO of OnePlus. Well, it says fan, and okay, it's a good kind of invitation letter. Well, I'm not going to go through the letter. Thank you so much, Pete, for this. I'm sorry, I'm not going through it. Okay, and what is this? So, and also I forgot to mention, guys, this is the OnePlus logo here, which looks really great. It is kind of embroidered thing. Yeah, a few stickers from OnePlus for you can put it anywhere. Yeah, they are good stickers. And this kind of some kind of information, again paperwork, guys. It's a kind of boring stuff. I don't ever look into it. It's a quick start guide, I guess. Yeah, it's a quick start guide. It says never settle here. It says OnePlus here. And here it gives the overview of the phone, where exactly the cameras, how exactly where exactly the fingerprint sensor, and where exactly the SIM tray is provided. And also it gives about the speakers, the earpiece, the mic, and everything. You can go through it if you want, but then again, it's kind of again boring stuff, as I've told you. It's paper stuff. Yeah, so here kind of warranty information, I guess. Yeah, so this is all things you will be getting in the box. It's the first paperwork. So let us go with this. Here is the device, and actually it feels premium one, guys. Let us get back to this. Let us keep this away first. Well, what else we get? So here it says never settle, which is a good kind of logo here. It says never settle, and okay, actually we need to lift it from here. Yeah, and here we have a case, a TPU case, which is good actually. It has the bumps on the edges which protects the glass or the screen from falling down if the device hits the ground. Yeah, it's good. I guess this will be creating some trouble. This is the one which may create trouble. I don't know about it. So let us see once we apply on it. Here again, okay, here's the SIM ejector tool should be here. It fell out somehow. Anyways, it says OnePlus again, SIM ejector tool. We have a nice cable. Oh man, that's nice. I'm purchasing the OnePlus for first time, so yeah, I'm surprised with the quality and how exactly they go with it. It is a USB type to USB type to USB type C, and these are red in it, guys. It's really great. Nowadays the companies are doing really good work with the color, and it looks really good actually. So let us put this aside. Yeah, now here we have our favorite RAP charger, which is really good. It says that they actually mentioned that it is a RAP charger. It is faster than their chargers, and let us see at what volt it goes. Actually, it says 5 volts at 2 amps, or yeah, it gives 5 volts at 6 amp max for RAP charging 30. It says made in China and everything. Yeah, there's a kind of bit heavy thing, but then again, this is RAP charger, guys. It goes really fast, really quick. We have the information that it will be delivering the charging for within 1 hour. This particular device will be full of charge. So yeah, these are the contents in the box. So let us put this all aside and get through it. We need this SIM ejector tool, so let me put this here. Let's check out the device, guys. Yeah, so right now let's check out the device. Okay, it's a kind of really slippery thing, but yeah, the device is great, guys. Yeah, it looks really like it's a really premium kind of feel to handle this device. It has 3 cameras, and let me give you a physical overview. I guess screen guard is applied, which is of good quality. So but then again, I don't recommend this. I don't recommend you to go with the screen guard itself. Go purchase glass protection case for this, because it is protecting with Gorilla Glass 5, but then again, glass is glass, so can't comment on that. If it falls down, for surely it is going to break. Okay, so on the top we have these antenna bands. We have a mic here, and there's nothing on the top. Here we have our favorite alert slider, which is good again to see here. Here is the power button. Yeah, here nothing again, and we have below the speaker, and these are the stereo speakers, guys. USB type C cable port, and yeah, we have a SIM card tray here. Let's see what is the configuration. Any of you know that we are not gonna get any SD card or micro SD card support in it. So it has a dual SIM support, and a red ring around this to protect it from a splash. It's good actually. It's a good thing. Well, yeah. So on this side we have nothing except the volume rockers, and here are some antennas as well. So in the back we have this triple camera setup. The 3 cameras are lined in a very good condition, and in a very good position. Here it gives the information that this is the camera setup. This is the information about the cameras. There is the flashlight here, the Oneplus logo, which is good. It seems really good, and it is inside, guys. So it is not outside; it is inside. And this is the OnePlus. It says OnePlus, which is also inside. It is coded from inside, not from outside. So let us remove this. Yeah, and yeah, in front you have that particular really good display here, and it has the really big speaker, which I guess you can see it is starting from here and ending here. So it is really big. It is actually it does actually dual things. It also goes with the earpiece as well as it goes with the stereo speakers. And we have the great display here. Actually, it is a fluid AMOLED display, And yeah, let us boot it up, and let's see. I guess it has some juice in it. So yeah, it gives a haptic feedback, so it's nice. It says OnePlus, powered by Android. And by the time I'm booting it up, let me provide you a configurational overview of this particular device so that you can have the information what specs does it carry. It comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. It has two variants, 8128 and 8256 GB. It has a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display. It comes with Android 10 out of the box. It has 48 megapixel of camera, which is a regular one, 16 megapixel wide angle lens, and 12 megapixel the macro lens camera. It is a triple camera setup. It has 16 megapixel front facing camera, which is for selfies, and it is having 3800 mAh of battery capacity. Yeah, so we have booted up the device now, guys, and yeah, it unlocks really quick. It is actually fast. You can see, I mean, if it recognizes my face, like right now I'm not looking at it, and right now I'm looking at it. See, just it unlocks really well. And also I have found that actually this is a kind of matte finish, so we are not getting to notice how if there are any kind of fingerprints, but actually it is a fingerprint magnet. I see that these cameras, these three cameras, actually the cameras might be really great. I haven't tested it till now, but then again it causes a really huge bump, guys. You just look at it, the device is not stable. It just moves, flickers around, and yeah, it has really huge camera bump. It is also a bit sharp, but then again, let us check with the cameras. If that does really great with cameras, then we don't have any problem with that. So yeah, probably yes, it unlocks every time and every single time. So I have just changed the wallpaper here. You can see that I have updated each and every single thing here. It's really fluid, really clean OS. We don't have any kind of bloatware in it. There is some kind of thing like from OnePlus, like few of them they are apps, but then again these are the only things, and after that we don't have anything. You can just check, it's really clean, and even these apps were not there in it, Flipkart and everything. I have just added it. This took information from my previous Gmail account, and yeah, so this is how it comes, and it has really stock and right kind of experience. Let us look into the device, what exactly the storage we are getting. So this is OnePlus 7T. It says 855 plus processor. If you can see that, let me reduce a bit of brightness. It's really bright actually. And also let me tell you guys, this is the actual brightness. It really gets really bright, and that's actually good because in dark sunlight we can't even look into it. So it's fine. I'll turn off this automatic brightness, and I'll bring it a bit low so we can look into it here. You can see the flickering of the display because there's a 90 Hz panel, and this camera cannot record each and every single thing in it. It says 855, just give me a minute, let me adjust it. Yeah, it says 855 plus processor, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. Camera setup, it clearly provides the information, 48, 16 and 20, 12 megapixel triple camera setup. Screen refresh rate, right now it is 90 Hz. The Fluid AMOLED display 6.55 inch, which is really huge. The display is really big, guys. It's really good and nice. It says it provides the information, and it comes with Android 10, which is a nice one. Setting up the device, it actually asked me if we want to go with new navigation gestures, and those are really nice. Just check out this. Just check this out. It's really great. We don't need to go over here. We can only flicker. We can just go to the apps. This is the app which got opened by mistake while I was just looking into it. Yeah. So yeah, it is really nice, clean OS. If you also want to reduce the refresh rate, actually I'm enjoying the 90 Hz display, so I'm not doing it. You can just see here how quick it is. You can't even you can't differentiate it while looking into this camera because it doesn't record that quick. So yeah, it's a 90 Hz display. Just look at these gestures, guys. Just look at them, and it's really smooth. It's really smooth. Just doing this, it goes to home screen. Swiping it up, it brings back the page which we were looking into it, and you can check here. If you want to reduce the display and want to go with some battery saving, you can go from here. It says 90 Hz. You can just switch to 60 Hz. That will be fine. You will be noticing a bit of difference, but then again, it will be a good one. If you want to go with a long day battery life, it will be really great. So let me switch again to 90 Hz because I want to go ahead with that. And yeah, so this is how the device is. This is how the overview is. It says if we swipe here, it gives no hidden applications. Like if there are any applications running in the background, you don't see them. You need to just come here and swipe it like this, or you can just swipe like this, I guess. Yeah, you can just pinch it out and it gives you the information. Well-being thing, I mean, give me one. Yeah, so it says the grayscale, it says digital well-being here. If you can see that this is a digital well-being thing, if you are gonna turn it on, let me tell you guys, if you wanna have some personal peace, then only go for it, because it will be blocking each and every single thing. You can't even take calls, neither you can do any emergency calls in that way if you are in that mode. So yeah, this is what exactly the device looks at. Let me also tell you guys, this is the glass back, and also it is really slippery. I will recommend you to use this case, which is a good one actually, because it has kind of grip around. It is this is a matte finish kind of thing, and it looks actually good. With this as well, the device look good. So yeah, I will provide you the overview of camera, how exactly it performed and what are the video qualities. I mean, how exactly it can record, what is the stabilization, and every information about it. Stay tuned for that as well. And as per now, this was the unboxing, guys, for you, and normal overview of it. I'll provide the review and update you regarding it. And also, let me tell you, this case is a nice one, but then again, it has bumps and everything. It is protective. I mean, if your display is falling down, I mean, if your device is falling down like this, the device is not falling actually on your screen. It is falling on these bumps. You just look at these bumps. They are really raising up. So yeah, this protects your device. But then again, you have also got one more case of OnePlus, from OnePlus itself, which is kind of black in color. It says OnePlus here. So this case is from OnePlus actually, and yeah, it costs a bit higher, but then again, just look at this. It looks really stunning, right? I like the black one. I like the black color. It looks stunning. The only problem is with the camera bump, which is really huge. But if you are putting on this particular case, or this case, or any of the case, then this will not provide any kind of you can just check it out. There's no it is a bit stable now, not that particular, not that flickery, which is nice. Yeah, so this is the OnePlus device, guys, for you. And yeah, it is a nice device. I'll provide you the review of it in a couple of days. I'll check it out, and right now I'll be using it as a primary mobile of mine. I've inserted two SIMs here, as you can see that. So these are the two networks, one is Airtel and one is Jio. I'll be testing out the call quality, and also how exactly it goes with the internet speed. Right now I will be I'll be looking into it, providing you the information, and I'll be updating you. So stay tuned for that. And this will be the OnePlus 7T for you guys. Just look at it. The stunning device with stunning specs. That's it. So we'll be ending this video now. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and also provide us an update on writing in comments what exactly the improvements can be done. What should I provide you the more detail about this particular device or any other devices. So yeah, I do understand that the channel is really new, and please help me with the comments below what exactly can be improved, and what exactly videos you want more else to look into it. So yeah, this is the video for OnePlus, and stay tuned for the update on the review, how exactly it goes, the camera quality, the device performance, and everything. As per now, it's really great, but then let us check with it. And also let me tell you guys, please subscribe to the channel, and you'll be having an update on it. Hit that bell icon so that you'll be also getting the notifications about what exactly is going on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you around.